Hello, this is RealVest investment script. It is built with Laravel, so it's a very nice script. As you can see here, it has all the features it needs to start up a real estate investment business. So the script or the site is yet to be customized. As you can see, there is no properties yet. No property has been listed or no investment options has been listed yet. So in order for me to do that, I will have to head over to the admin dashboard and then start configuring and adding investment options and the rest. So this is just the script. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to install the script free of charge. So I would like you to watch this video to the end so that you're going to learn how to install this RealVest investment script. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe um, and also react on the video. Give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, and then subscribe. It is really going to help YouTube algorithm to recommend my videos to other people who might also be interested in the video. Thank you so much. So I am going to show you how to install real estate investment script. So a quick one, I will just go head over to my browser. So in case if you need a hosting site, you can make use of this. They are very good. um you are not going to have any issues with them. All you need to do is just to sign up and then upload your script, buy a hosting or a domain name from them, upload your script, and then your site will be up, and you're never going to have any issues with them. So and I'm also going to drop my affiliate link. I'm also going to drop my affiliate link at the description below so you can make use of it. That will be a way of you supporting me by registering, or yeah, by registering with my own affiliate link. So once you sign in, once you get an account and then you buy a domain name and a hosting from them, all the next thing you need to do is to upload your script. So I'm just going to create a folder here because I'm not going to be uploading the script on the root folder here. So I've already created a folder named SN, this one over here, this one here. So what I need to do now is to open it. And then I'm going to upload my my RealVest investment script. So yeah, and then wait for it to upload. I've uploaded the script. This is it here. So the next thing I need to do right now is to extract this script here. Click on it and then you click on extract. So once you are done extracting, you click on close, then reload. So this is the files. Click on it to open, and then next thing you need to do is to select all these, that is highlight it all, and then you move this file, move it to the root folder, to the folder we created, the SN. Move the folder as the files to the folder, and then head back to the folder. So Next thing again we need to do is to visit this link in order for us to install this script. Go to so here it says it requires a PHP 8.3 version. So let's hold over to our PHP and then set it to 8.3. So I'm going to search for the domain name here. Okay, this is it. And then 8.3 and then save. Alright, so I'm going to reload again. So next thing is I need to agree and then move to the next step. So I need to grant permissions to these files to all these files here. Need to grant permissions to all these files here. So let me go back, come to call bootstrap catch. So and then come to storage also. Yeah, storage app, storage framework, storage logs. So storage logs, change permission, storage app, change permission, storage frameworks, change permission, and then let's recheck again. So let's reload. I've granted all the permissions to it. Requirements check pass. So next thing I need to do is to click on this next step. So over here, we are going to fill in our so over here we are going to fill in our database database name, database host. It's going to be local host, database username and database password, and then the admin username, admin password, your email address, and then you click on install. So let's head over to our cPanel and then create a database for this. To create a database, I will need to click on this manage my databases. So let's give our database a name. So let's call it a RealVest. So yeah. So first, let me copy the database name, come over here and then paste it here. So next thing we need to do again is to create a username for this database. So mind you, please, this is just for a demonstration purpose. For you to do this, you really need to use a very strong password. So I'm just using this password just to so I can be able to show you how to do this. But if you are doing it on a live website or a live server, you will need to make use of a very strong password so that hackers or anyone can easily access your database or hack into your website. So let me click on create user. So I've created a username for our database. So I'm going to click paste it here and then type in the password. So next thing we need to do is to click on this, go back, and then grant permissions to our database. That is the next step we need to do right now. So let's search for the database we just created. And then search for the database name. Here is it. And then click on add. Click on all privileges and then click on make changes. Next thing again is to head over to the installer and then type in the username. So I'm going to use admin as the username. Then I'm going to use 1 2 3 4 5 6 as the password, and then I'm just going to use admin at admin.com as the password, and then click on install now, and the script is going to install. So as you can see, we have finally installed our script. So next thing we need to do is just to click on this, go to website and activate. So and I've just done that. And another thing again, once you're done installing the script, you will have to delete the install folder so that hackers or anyone won't be able to tamper with your site or reinstall or hack into your website. So as you can see, our website is live right now. This is it. This is it. So in order to make some customization, you have to visit the admin dashboard, and then enter your username, which is admin. Then the password is 123456, and then click on login. So from here you can customize your site, make settings, add things you want to add, also remove the things you want to remove. So this is the cron job settings. So in order to set your cron jobs, you just have to copy the cron link and then head over to your cpanel. Head over to your cpanel and then scroll down, then look at it here, cron jobs. Click on this cron jobs here. And then click on this place here, common settings, and then you select once per minute. Then paste the command here, the one you copied from the admin dashboard, and then you click on add new cron jobs. What this does is it helps the investment counter to read, so that whenever the time is due, the investment will pause or to pause, and then the return of investment will then be added to the user's wallet. So this is just the job of this cron job here. So once you are done with that, you can then customize, add your site name and every other thing. So this system setting. System setting, general settings, logo and favicon. To add your logo, you have to click on this logo and favicon to add some settings like your site name, email, details about your site, and the rest. Payment gateways, withdrawal methods, SEO configuration, and so many of it here. So this is just it. Should in case if you knew this script, I am going to leave a link in the description below where you can chat me directly. And if you also need some customization, like you like to add some custom features to this script, I'll be available to help you. Or you want to change the theme, to a different design, I'll be available to help you also. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. This will be a very little way for you to support me. Thank you so much.